Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to lock the SIM card in any iOS and Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side we have the iOS smartphone, and on the right side you can see our Android smartphone. So on your iOS smartphone, just open the settings. And now just click on this mobile service. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here one option written SIM pin. Just click on it. Now you can see the SIM pin option. Just turn it on. Now you need to enter your SIM card default pin number. So on most of the cases, the default SIM card pin number is 40 or 1234. But it might vary depending upon which SIM card provider you are using. So you can ask to your SIM card service provider if you are unsure if the default SIM pin is exactly the same which is being shown right now here. So kindly note it before entering the SIM pin, and after entering the SIM pin you can even change pin by clicking on the sense pin options. So once you enable the SIM pin, you can easily lock the SIM card in your respective iOS smartphone. So this is how you can do on your iOS smartphone. So now let's jump to the Android smartphone. So on your Android smartphone, just open the settings and just search for SIM pin. And the first list you will see here one option, change SIM card pin. Just click on it. Now you will see here lock SIM card. Just turn it on. Now similarly you need to enter the default mobile SIM card pin number here, and after that you can click on OK, and once you have enabled this lock SIM card option you can change the SIM card pin later on. So this is how you can do on your Android smartphone. So by using these cool tricks you can easily lock the SIM card in any iOS and Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.